Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Game Pass in Dead Rails and which ones are worth it. So first, fire up Dead Rails on Roblox on the game's main menu. Look for the store or Game Pass button, usually near the settings or leaderboard. Click it to see all available upgrades. Found one you like, hit buy. Confirm with your Roblox and it's instantly unlocked. Pro tip, some passes might require a game restart to activate. Now, which ones are worth it? Here's my top 3. Number 1, double XP boost. Perfect for grinding level faster, and must if you are aiming for end-game content. Number 2, VIP pass. If this gives exclusive skins, private servers, or bonus rewards, it's a steal for dedicated players. Number 3, premium currency bundle. Great for buying in-game gear ASAP, but wait for a discount if you're patient. Avoid low impact passes like cosmetic only items unless you are all about style. And always check the detail, some passes might surprise you with extra perks. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.